For this project, you will need fabric scraps, pins, scissors, a fabric pen marker, an iron and a sewing machine. A medium weight cotton is recommended for the front and back pieces, and you will need a 46 by 46 centimeters square along with 2 rectangular pieces measuring 46 by 34 centimeters. These 2 pieces will overlap each other to create the envelope opening on the back of the cushion. You will also need a 48 by 48 centimeters square of a clear organza material. So first, flip the large cotton square so the wrong side is facing upwards. Get it as flat as possible, then grab your scraps and iron them flat and start covering the entire square. This project is all about using as many scraps as possible, so do not hold back when layering your piece. And again, make sure it covers the entire square like this. If you have a fabric piece that's quite bold, why not use that as your focal point in your cushion cover, like I have done here with this peacock design. Once you are happy with the final design, place the organza square over the top, making sure all of the corners are covered. Then grab your pins and start pinning all of the layers. Make sure to add enough pins so that none of the scraps move or fall out when you go to sew the final piece. Carefully flip the piece over and trim off any excess along the edges. Get your fabric pen marker and your ruler and draw vertical lines about 3 centimeters apart directly onto the organza. Alternatively, if you have a seam guide foot that looks a bit like this will also work. Then set your machine so that the stitch length is about 2 millimeters and the tension is a little looser. Then you can go ahead and start stitching on your marked lines. Make sure you stitch in the same direction to prevent any ripples in the fabric. And also make sure to take out your pins as you go to avoid breaking your machine. And your final piece should look a bit like this. You want to hem the 2 long sides of the rectangular pieces. So fold and press 1 centimeters and then fold again at 2 centimeters and press and then stitch along the very edge. With right sides together, take one of the rectangular pieces with the hem at the center and align it on the right hand side of your square. Then place the second one on top of that, and again making sure all of the edges are aligned. They should overlap and look a bit like this. Then grab your pins or your sewing clips to secure all of the layers for when you sew. Then stitch a 1 centimeter seam allowance, making sure to secure the very corners and the overlapping edges. Then the last thing you need to do is to finish the edges. So clip the ends so that the square is really crisp, and then finish the edges how you would prefer. And now the really fun part, you are going to do the big reveal by turning the whole thing inside out and making sure to poke out those corners. And voila, you've done it. You've done your cushion cover. Buy a cushion insert for this, or alternatively, if you cut out two 46 by 46 centimeter squares, you can create your own cushion with your fabric scraps. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please share your designs by tagging me or emailing me at AFRAYED Upcycling. Thank you.